in detail. Union Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia on Friday appreciated Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's plan to develop a new Shillong investment area and setting up a new directorate. Holding a review meeting with the Meghalaya government officials at Courtyard by Marriott Hotel in Shillong, Scindia said the meeting outlined in many ways the areas of core competence and comparative advantage of Meghalaya. Talking to media persons, Scindia said suggestions were given to various discussions, various inputs shared while developing a new modern city with traditional strength.
For which Meghalaya is
with the plans that the Chief Ministers had for the new Shillong investment area, setting up the new directorate. We've also, I've given in our discussions various inputs as to how we should look at a new modern city with our traditional strengths, and as in addition to that, looking at areas of core competencies such as tourism, agriculture, IT, and how we should build that going forward.